Since 1995, the court has been housed here in a building designed by British architect Sir Richard Rogers, with its vast glass reception area a symbol of the court's accessibility. Here is the main courtroom. In the centre, the carpet shows the 12 stars of the European flag. Originally conceived as a logo for the Council of Europe, now also adopted by the European Union as a symbol of European solidarity. This is where public hearings are held before the court's judges, sitting either in chambers of 7 judges or, as in this case, as the Grand Chamber composed of 17 judges.
La Cour.
On the 1st of November 1998, a new court was inaugurated following a radical reform. Since then, the court has comprised full-time judges from almost 50 European countries. Judges bring with them expert knowledge of their country's laws and legal system. They are fully independent and do not represent any national interests.
Article 2. Everyone's right to life shall be protected by law.
Никто не должен подвергаться ни пыткам, ни бесчеловечному.
Toda persona tiene derecho a la libertad y a la seguridad.
Nul ne peut être tenu en esclavage ni en servitude.
Jedermann hat Anspruch auf freie Meinungsäußerung.
Herkes gerek medeni hak ve yükümlülükleriyle
Ingen får fällas till ansvar för någon gärning.
The court has dealt with a number of cases concerning disappearances or deaths of people taken into custody in police stations or prisons, sometimes into custody not even acknowledged by the authorities. Some of these cases, lodged against the Russian Federation, concern the treatment of the Chechen population. The prohibition of torture or inhuman or degrading treatment or punishment is another fundamental right. Overall, the sheer number of people protected by the convention system is staggering. There are around 800 million people living in the countries which have ratified the convention alone, an area stretching across 18 time zones from Greenland to Cyprus and from Portugal to Vladivostok in eastern Russia. Non-Europeans, whether refugees, tourists, or people who happen to be within the jurisdiction of the country concerned, are also protected. For instance, the court found in 2006 that Belgium had violated the convention by holding a 5-year-old Congolese girl for more than 2 months in a transit zone at Brussels airport.
Dit qu'il y a eu violation de l'article 10 de la Convention.
It also decided that the other 3 applicants were to forfeit their parliamentary office.
The judgments are binding in that the state concerned must pay any compensation awarded, deal with the issues raised for the individual concerned, and take general measures to solve any underlying problems, to make sure the same situation does not occur again. Possible measures include enacting a new law or reforming a procedure. The court's judgments have led to a great many changes in national legislation, and among other examples have opened the way for retrials of individuals convicted following an unfair trial, for the restoration of expropriated properties to their owners or the payment of appropriate compensation, or for the granting of a residence permit to individuals threatened with deportation, and equal treatment for German nationals and foreigners with regard to the payment of family allowances. Today, although the court is more productive than ever before, staff are working under ever-increasing pressure. The number of new applications coming to the court is growing all the time. There are large numbers of often complex cases arriving from the newest states to join the convention system, while new protocols to the convention prohibiting discrimination and the death penalty will further add to the court's caseload. There is only so much rationalization the court can do, however. Ultimately, governments must take action at national level, both by ensuring that the court's judgments are rapidly implemented and by resolving the underlying legal and human rights problems. For half a century, the court has been a bastion of human rights in Europe, Europe's conscience. To be effective for another 50 years and beyond, it will need the continued support of Europe's governments.